What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my second channel. I'm Sam Alxr, and today I'm going to be showing you how to lace your Air Force Ones so they look like this. And then after the tutorial, I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Before I get into it though, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, and if you do enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. So getting straight into it then, we're going to start off with the left shoe first. And the first thing you're going to want to do is thread the laces through the AF1 tag. So we're just going to thread it through just like that, and now we can go ahead and start lacing the shoes up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the lace and thread it through the two bottom holes. And the other side as well. Just like that. And now, to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, you're going to want to hold them at the very top, pull up on the bottom part, and then pull at the top. And then make sure that the tag is the right way around and flat. Just like that. Now, as you can see, the laces are the same length on either side, so we're ready to go ahead and get into the next step. So you're going to want to take this part of the lace and thread it through the third hole up on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through the third hole up on the other side of the shoe. Making sure the lace is flat. And then take this lace and thread it through the second hole up on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through the second hole up on the other side of the shoe. Just like that. Now, as you can see, we're already starting to get that bar look, so we're just going to repeat that same process all the way to the top. So you're going to want to take this lace, skip a hole, and thread it through. And then thread it through the other side of the shoe, once again skipping a hole. And then take this lace, thread it through the next available hole on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through this hole on the other side of the shoe. Making sure the lace is flat. And then you want to skip a hole and thread it through. And then skip a hole on the other side of the shoe and thread it through. Just like that. And then you want to take this lace, thread it through the next available hole on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through this hole on the other side of the shoe. And that is how to bar lace your Air Force Ones. I think it looks pretty cool like this, you know, it's pretty simple. All you want to do now is to hide the laces, and to do that we're going to do a factory knot. So you're going to want to take the laces, take your two fingers and your thumb, wrap the laces around your two fingers and then pull. And then when you put the shoes on and you're wearing them, you can just tuck the laces very easily behind the tongue, just like that. So that was how to bar lace your Air Force Ones. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the right shoe as well. So getting into the right shoe then, once again, you're going to want to take your lace and thread it through the AF1 tag. Just like that. And then thread the lace through the 2 bottom holes. And then the other side as well. And then just make sure that the tag is flat. And then to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, you're going to want to hold them at the very top, pull up on the bottom part, and then pull up from the very top. And now, as you can see, the laces are the same length on either side. So the next step is taking this lace and thread it through the 3rd hole up on the same side of the shoe. Like that. And then thread it through the 3rd hole up on the other side of the shoe. Just like that. And then take this lace and thread it through the 2nd hole up on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through the 2nd hole up on the other side of the shoe. Now, as you can see, we're already starting to get that bar look. So once again, you're going to want to take this lace and skip a hole and thread it through, and then thread it through the other side of the shoe, once again skipping a hole. And then take this lace and thread it through the next available hole on the same side of the shoe. And then thread it through this hole on the other side of the shoe. Making sure the lace is flat. And then you take this lace and you skip a hole once again and thread it through. And then skip a hole and thread it through the other side of the shoe. And then take this lace, thread it through this hole on the same side of the shoe, and then just thread it through this hole. Just like that. And now to factory knot them, you want to take your 2 fingers and your thumb, wrap the laces around your 2 fingers and pull up. And then you can just tuck the laces behind the tongue, just like that. So that was how to bar lace your Air Force Ones. I think it looks pretty cool like this, but make sure to let me know what you think of this lacing style in the comment section below. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like on feet with different trousers and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So that was how to bar lace your Air Force Ones. I think they look pretty cool like this. Sometimes I like to wear my Air Force loosely, sometimes I like to switch it up and wear them like this. Either way, I think it looks pretty cool, but make sure to let me know what you guys think of them. Do you like this lacing style? Make sure to let me know down below. Also, if you have any suggestions for a pair of shoes you want to see me do a how to lace video on, how to style video on, make sure to let me know in the comments as well. And if you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. Our future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mix match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.